15.6 inches laptop in black. It comes in a size of 25.6 by 35.9 by 2.5 centimeters and weighs 2.3 kilograms. The laptop runs on 10th Gen Intel Core i5-10300H processor, and comes preloaded with Windows 11 with free access to over 100 high-quality PC games, and 1-month subscription to Xbox Game Pass. It has 8GB DDR4 RAM that is expandable up to 32GB using SODIMM. And a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GDDR6, 4GB VRAM. Also, 512GB M.2, NVMe, PCIe, 3.0 SSD storage with empty 2.5 inches SATA slot for storage expansion. It is powered by a lithium polymer battery with 6 hours of battery life. This gaming laptop has 15.6 inches LED Full HD, IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Enjoy stereo surround sound with dual speakers in smart amplifier technology. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with one USB 2.0 port, two USB 3.0 ports and an HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, adapter and user manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking.
Presenting the ASUS TUF Gaming F15. It comes with memory and storage, 8GB DDR4 2933 MHz RAM, support up to 32GB using 2x SODIMM slot and storage, 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD with empty 1x 2.5-inch SATA slot for storage expansion. It has display, 15.6-inch LED backlit Full HD 144Hz refresh rate. It comes with 48 WHRS, 3-cell lithium polymer battery. It features HD 720p CMOS module web camera. It also features nano edge bezels, anti-glare IPS level panel with 45% NTSC and other, 1-zone RGB backlighting keyboard. It also features Bluetooth 5.1, Intel Wi-Fi 6 plus 802.11ax 2x2 and connectivity technology, Ethernet. The delivery box contains laptop, adapter, and user manuals.